Speak out. All over the world, some children face oppression. They're neglected, forced into slavery, or exposed to violence. But some young people are standing up against this injustice, facing great risk, and fighting for a better tomorrow. Kez Valdez from the Philippines grew up in an abusive home. At the age of 4, he ran away and started living on the streets. He survived on the materials he found in the garbage dump until he was rescued by a community worker. Kez had escaped. He became an activist, working to improve the lives of street children who weren't so lucky.
Because I'm still a child, others tell me to just play with my friends. But I see myself in other street children, and that's why I want to help them.
Kez's charity organization has helped over 10,000 kids living in poverty. Standing up for others isn't easy. But what if it puts you in great danger? In 2008, Malala Yousafzai was a student in the Swat Valley of Pakistan. But then, an Islamic fundamentalist group called the Taliban banned girls from going to school. Malala refused to accept this discrimination and stood up against them. Her activism encouraged girls to disobey the Taliban, so the Taliban decided to silence Malala for good. They shot her in the head and neck. Fortunately, Malala survived. She kept fighting for equality. At the United Nations, she demanded an education for every child.
One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world.
In 2014, at age 17, Malala became the youngest person ever to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. In Ghana, James Kofi Annan is fighting against child slavery.
We are racing against time.
He rescues children forced into slavery by convincing the slave owners to let them go free. James was sold into slavery when he was just 6 years old. He was exploited for years before he escaped.
By rescuing others, I feel I'm rescuing myself. I feel that I'm correcting the injustice that was done when I was young. Things must change, and that's what motivates me to do more.
His charity looks after these children and gives them an education. Speaking out against oppression isn't easy. But Kez, Malala, and James show that fighting for human rights can change the world.